Another couple of examples of translating words into algebra. Have a go yourself first and then watch the solution in the rest of the video. Number 1, the sum of 4 times a number x and 5 times another number y divided by 2. Second example, 3 times the difference between a number a and another number b. So let's move on and have a go at showing you the solution to both of these questions. Taking it step by step, we can see we have 4 times a number, and that number is x. So we can write that as 4 times x, which is clearly 4 times x, but in algebra we can write it as 4x. We can also see from the text that we have 5 times another number, and this other number is y. So we can write that as 5 times y, which of course can be written as 5 times y, and in algebra that's simply 5y. Of course, the text is telling us we have the sum of 4 times x and 5 times y, and that is clearly 4x plus 5y, because remember, taking the sum of something means you're adding them up. The text is informing us that this sum, 4x plus 5y, is divided by 2. And you can see I've put the 4x and the 5y in brackets to show all of it is being divided by the 2. Of course, we can go one stage further and show that the 4x plus the 5y is divided by 2. And you can see we have the 4x plus the 5y on the top. This says divided, and what we're dividing by is this 2. So this text can be represented in algebra as shown here. Let's now consider the second example. If we consider the text for 2, we know we have a and b as the numbers, and we're looking at the difference between them, which we can write as a minus the b, which of course in algebra is a minus b. Now the question is saying we got 3 times this difference, so we can write that as the a minus b in brackets, put a 3 on the outside, because this 3 means we're multiplying the entire contents of the brackets by 3, and of course the contents of the brackets is the difference between a and b. So it's 3 times the difference between a and b.